I went down to the local nightclub to check things out. It was amateur night, so I figured someone would be dying. Of course, I kept getting lost in the place. I think I was getting closer to the truth. I must have been, because whoever done Charlie in sent one of his goons after me.
It's curtain for you, Mac.
Gasp! Oh, I think you're right. No, those are drapes. Oh, could this be the end of the line? Was I heading for the light? Would I ever solve the case of Tweeter and the Monkey Man? Can I reference more songs by the Traveling Wilburys? I only know they never handle me with care on Blech Street.